All right, guys, it's real early. It's time for the Yukon car show. And I know I skipped over a little bit, but we got the Camaro back. Let's do this. I know it's a little dark. I got us some coffee, and we're back in the Camaro. Yes, sir, back in the Camaro. Hold on, because I know everybody's down here. Hold on, let's see if you can hear it. Oh man, the music of my people. I'm so happy to have this car back. It's like it's not even funny, man. So we're gonna get the day started and start our way out to this meet. Let's get it. Ready?
Still pulled him. I lost track.
I was like, come on now.
I still pulled him.
All right, so we made it to the show. It's like beautiful out here. It's cars galore. People making sounds. It's a bunch of beautiful black Camaros. It's the man Nev. Ding! Look at this fucking. It's cold though. I'm not staying long. I'm just saying that. Yeah, definitely. An hour and I'm home. That's it.
What is there for the drive?
The secret weapon. That's the secret weapon. I'm not gonna tell you why. It's just a secret weapon.
James Bond shit.
Yeah.
Word.
Point out the secret weapon you got there. We won't talk about that.
Steve Bond. Huh? Like James Bond.
It's fucking.
Yeah, right?
It's cold. This is cold.
Like, I'm not staying long.
All right.
It's guarding the place.
I wouldn't expect
All
to
right.
see
It's like, all right.
Fucking
Not mad at you. You got the hood without the hood. Yeah.
He has a freaking.
Oh shit.
You
Holy
saw that?
shit.
That's fucking
Come on.
crazy,
The
man.
fucking Easter eggs continue. Come on.
Right hand drive.
You went all the way. You know, you went all the way with it. I gotta respect it. I just gotta respect it.
I would be afraid.
I'll get rid of my car.
That thing will fall off. That looks like a real dog.
Yeah, hell yeah. Fucking Muttley. Stickers lit. Gotta give it to him.
How you want me to? Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording already.
It's recording? All right, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right, go ahead.
Why you use it? You want to take a gas real quick. Thank you, man.
There you go, no problem.
Appreciate it.
No problem.
You probably never thought it'd be like this, be like this. You probably never thought it'd be like this, be like this. Actively committed to my future, respectfully committed to my dreams. Why you think I left all that bullshit? Things ain't always what they seem. And I be fucking with my band, getting grandstands, creating real music from scratch. You can never understand. I remember being at the bottom, gazing at the top. Ignorant music, only what pops. How many niggas passed on the cash track and wish they never did?
All right, man. So we're gonna end it here. You probably can't hear me over the car. I had a good time at the car show today, and I'll see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next go round. Peace.